Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Giddy token. Ticker symbol is GDDY. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Giddy token. GDDY is the ticker symbol for this token. So this token is being listed today on Hotbit Global. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is just go right through that Hotbit referral code in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search GDDY, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Their official Twitter is at GiddyDefy, so you can check out more info there. Now, the cool thing about Hotbit is they have a lot of investing strategies on Hotbit where you could put your tokens in DeFi farm pools, lock up, stake them, and earn really high APY on your tokens. So definitely check out that Hotbit referral code. Now, on their Twitter, at GiddyDefy, you can find a full link tree with all sorts of links on there. They have links to their website, downloading the app for iPhone, Android, Discord, Twitter, Telegram, Reddit, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and LinkedIn. So all sorts of info there and socials and everything. So they have 6,822 Twitter followers, 1,363 tweets, very active on Twitter. If you go over to their official webpage, giddy.co, you can find links to their app as well. They show you what the app interface looks like. It says, "Welcome to the new financial frontier. Your keys, your crypto. Move your crypto out of exchanges and into a self-custody wallet that earns you money. Buy, send, receive, and earn all in one recoverable self-custody crypto wallet." So that's what the application is, obviously, their wallet app. Own your keys, own your earnings. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is revolutionizing the future of financial services by cutting out the middleman. With the right tools like Giddy, you can put your crypto to work and earn passive income on the blockchain. Grow your crypto, DeFi made easy. Ever wonder what happens when you deposit money with the bank? They lend it out and earn even bigger profits on the spread. With Giddy, you get access to your DeFi protocols that let you be the lender and earn like the banks do. Time the market. Be the market. Still holding crypto and hoping the price goes up? Put it to work in DeFi instead, where you can earn 10 times or more than the U.S. national deposit rate. So how much can you earn? Well, they show it says if you stake $2,500, 17.9% APY. You can click on that. They got different probably times for these ones here and what type of deposits. So it looks like different crypto you can deposit 6.9% APY, 5.7, all different schemes there that you could do to earn different amounts of income. So they have news articles on here. It says, the word is getting out. And they have a Forbes article, Block Telegraph, AP. They have some people commenting here, leaving reviews, what they think about the wallet. And you could sign up for the newsletter, it says as well. Now, they have some questions here, like what is Giddy? It says the Giddy native mobile application is a self-custody crypto wallet that provides easy access to decentralized finance opportunities so you can earn passive income on the blockchain. We all know banks aren't providing interest rates that are going to beat inflation, so Giddy is on a mission to provide financial freedom for more people through the power of DeFi. Now, how is Giddy different from other DeFi apps? Well, Giddy brings together several elements of decentralized finance into a single, easy-to-use mobile application. We're unique in providing a self-custody crypto wallet that has a recoverable private key, fiat on-ramp and off-ramp capabilities, and single swipe staking into multiple DeFi protocols. Most of all, we're focused on making DeFi accessible to everyone and not just crypto enthusiasts. Some features are still in development. Sign up today at the Apple App Store or iOS on Google Play for Android and get on the wait list. So who can use Giddy? Well, Giddy's mission is to make decentralized finance accessible to everyone. Unlike other crypto projects that require users to have extensive experience and knowledge on the blockchain, Giddy was built with the everyday user in mind. If you're able to meet the requirements to download the Giddy mobile app in the App Store or Google Play Store, you can create an account with Giddy. Some features of the Giddy app may be limited to specific regions. See the terms of service for more. So how do you join the wait list? It says right here on the website by tapping Get the App, and that is in the top right-hand corner of their webpage, giddy.co. You'll see Get the App, big black button in the top right-hand corner. Our mobile app is also available for download on the Apple App Store or iPhone and Google Play for Android. Once you've downloaded the app, you can create your account and reserve your place on the wait list. And what perks do early adopters get? Well, if you download the app during the waitlist period, you will have early access to your own unique referral code. Each successful referral will be eligible for future rewards within the Giddy app, and each referral improves your position on the waitlist. This means you'll have a better chance of getting into the Giddy app early. The first 20,000 eligible users in the Giddy mobile app will receive a Giddy Frontier Survival Co. NFT that may include perks for its holders. So if you're interested in getting a free Giddy NFT, well then you could check out the waitlist right now. And also they have how Giddy works, who owns the money in the Giddy app, where do the high yields come from, how are my funds protected, how do I withdraw, does Giddy cost anything to use, can I transfer my assets out of my Giddy account, and you can check out all this info at giddy.co. And you can find this token listed today on Hotbit Global, so check out that Hotbit referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and leave a comment. What do you guys think about Giddy? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.